Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Scrape. Today I am going to show you how to install Flutter on Windows operating system. So for that, first I need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Flutter and hit enter. So that will show you this flutter.dev as our official site of Flutter. Just simply go to their official site. Here I need to click on this get started. That's going to redirect to this page. Here I need to scroll down and you will get that our Flutter is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux and even Chrome OS. So we are going to download it for Windows. So I'm going to switch to Windows tab and you need to scroll down and you will get this manually download section. So here you need to click on this install Flutter manually, and as you scroll down you will get this zip file link. So you need to click on this link and it's going to immediately start downloading your Flutter. So it is about 1.7 gigabyte the file size. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this. I'll go to my download directory. Here you can see Flutter is already been downloaded. We need to extract it, so right click and click on extract all, and let's browse it and put it on our C drive. So click on the C drive and just simply click on select folder and click on extract. So that's going to immediately start extracting our Flutter right on our C drive. So let's wait for a few minutes over here. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that it is rightly extracted. So if you go to your C drive, you can see this Flutter folder is created. So if you go inside, you will get all files and folders over here. So now you need to set this Flutter bin folder path to environment variable. So you need to select this path and you need to go to search and type environ. That will show you this editor system environment variable. Go there and click on environment variable. Here I need to click on path, I need to click on edit and click on new and right click and paste that flutter/bin folder path over here. Now click on OK, then again OK and then again OK. And now if you minimize all this and go to just search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type flutter space -- version and hit enter, it's going to show you this. So first it's going to download and resolve some of the dependencies. So it got all the dependencies, and after that it's going to show you the Flutter version that you have installed. So if you're getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Flutter. So that's how you install Flutter. Please do check my other videos on our channel, and also don't forget to subscribe and joining our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, so for that also we have this playlist and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyskit.com website with proper explanation as well. So do check all these different videos including our WordPress playlist as well. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.